officers like you in boot camp, Cole. They call it the Custer syndrome. Guys who go around.
Welcome to Vlogmas. So I'm here with my brother playing a game. It's called
Illinois.
Oh, it's that one. Okay. So it's a game set in the 1940s. Look at my face. I look so busted. Oh my god. And my hair looks busted. Warrants outstanding. Anyway, I wanted to do the chocolates that are left for yesterday and day before yesterday. I'm gonna take the 2 silver. We only have 2 silver left. This is the chocolate. It's a swirly. Hello everybody. I'm going out. I love the shots when I'm going out of my house because look at the light right now. Yes guys, one thing I don't know. Oh, that's my mom right there. Last night I was thinking videos, YouTube, why am I doing all this again? Why am I doing it? Am I doing it because I want money? Am I doing it because I want fame? I want none of that. I'm getting money with my job. I don't want fame at all. Why exactly am I doing this stuff? I don't know. I liked it. It was my hobby. But when did it become... Oh, my mom is pushing me. I don't know. Last night I was thinking, why am I doing this YouTube stuff? Why? And I was thinking, how would my life be if I was not doing YouTube? Maybe it would be more chill. Maybe I would have more downtime to myself. I'm not able to really listen to music. Just watch TV shows, read books. Why? Because the time that I have is spent on making and editing videos. So I don't know. I like it, but at times it gets excessive where it's like maybe I should slow down a bit. So I guess I should slow down a bit. So I will be doing this in 2017, that is slowing down a bit. By the way, you guys said you love my mom. They said they love you and they like your new hairstyle. Look at her lip color. Yeah, they do. They like your haircut. Look at her lip color though. It's so
baby
pretty.
lips.
It's baby lips and it looks so natural on her. My company nail polish. Anyway, looking this busted because I'm going to the doctor's. Guys, do you see this? So these cars are packed in front of the mall. We just came from the messiest traffic jam ever. The cars were just not moving. They were not moving, literally. Anyway, we are at the DLF mall. Right now, Saket, I'm excited. We're not gonna shop as we promised to my brother because he was bored that day when we went to Sephora. It was not a good situation. So we're not gonna do that. Oh, I see a store of Zivami. Don't they sell undergarments online? I don't know, but I'm excited. Let's see what we do. But this is a different kind of entry. Never been here. Guys, so check this. This is a sword of honor that DLF malls have got from British Council of Safety, and this is awarded for best practices in safety management system. So the safety at DLF malls is apparently the best. The sword is there to prove it. It's the sword of honor. Hey guys, so we're at Sugar Threads and my brother is getting me a cotton candy and he said stop calling it Sugar Thread, it is Budiya ke baal. That's what we call it in India. I ordered for the mint one, it's called OMG Mint and it's green colored as you can see there. I can also press the happiness buzzer. Should I push it? Doesn't smell like anything. What? Oh my god, it's so soft. Doesn't taste of mint? Oh, it does. It tastes like mint. Oh my god, so much. You want to press it? You were not in the frame, yeah. Now it's all, the shape is gone. It has an aftertaste of mint. Yeah, but that's mine. Look at this. This is so cute. They've decorated this whole house-like thing at the mall. snowmen and everything. How adorable. There's music. But this is so cute. I look like a proper child now with my collar and my cotton candy. There you go. My god, this is so adorable. Guys, Pure is the place where you can find the best smelling scents. Is that right, brother? He told me not to show him in the vlog. Now he's gonna kill me off camera. Anyway, it's a homeware store and their candles are so good, guys. Their candles just spread the most smell, if you know what I mean. And my brother will show you how I smell candles. How does a normal person?
Normal person would go like, that's good. Now that's what my sister does. She picks it up and she does that.
I didn't get the whole feel without it. Which is a soup with lots of vegetables. It's not a cream-based soup, so I guess it should be healthier. I'm not saying this is healthier, but I'm not saying this is healthy, this is healthier. So it's a tom yum soup. It's so yummy and spicy. Along with that, I've ordered for pita bread, which I'm having with hummus, which is healthy again. My mom is having a sweet corn soup with the hummus, and she added this sauce along with it to make it more spicy. However, my brother is having a cheese quesadilla, not healthy. However, the burrito looks healthy, but it also has cheese. I would recommend this on a cheat day, but it looks good.